So we had another unique unit come in today. This isn't the first fire truck we've ever had, but this is a 1989 Grumman pump truck. And from what we were told and what we can visualize, this unit is still fully functional. Lights are working. We were told the pumps are operational. We have not tried them ourselves. Whoever purchases it is welcome to operate them because we do not know how. Tires are in great shape. The unit was kept very clean. This would make a good off-site rig for somebody in the construction industry, somebody with a racetrack, somebody with a large campground. As you can see, my man AJ in there playing with everything. All my employees are just like a kid in a candy store when something new comes in. He just drove this unit back. It operates fine, shifts fine. 7-speed Spicer transmission. All your gauges operate all right?
Yep, I can go.
Gauges operated fine. Recent inspection sheet. No rust. This was not a northern truck. Middlesex, you can do the math on that. Deltaville, Virginia, not in the Rust Belt. Really cool truck. 7,300 miles, documented to be accurate. Extremely aggressive tires that are in great shape, damn near new. If you need anything else about this truck, please feel free to reach out. We'll photograph it, have it on our website very shortly. Website, telephone number. It is the only fire truck we currently have, so that's not our specialty, as you can see. But we do have a lot of commercial trucks and other vehicles, sports cars, SUVs. Feel free to jump on the website anytime you'd like. And again, if somebody is knowledgeable on these units or interested, feel free to stop in and operate this one. We'll help any way we can. Hopefully we can provide a vehicle for a fraction, I mean a very small fraction of what this would cost to replace these days. And it's still a really nice condition truck. Really would love to see it go to the hands of somebody that has a use for it, or a small municipality or volunteer department, something to that effect. That would be great. She is one clean unit.